everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lainey and I am a macrame artist out of Pennsylvania, and this is Macrame Monday. I have not been here for a little bit, but I am back and I am ready for action, and we are going to be making a tassel today. Woo! So cute. I love these. I'm going to be adding it to this piece that I have back here. That's what I'm doing, but we're gonna learn how to make these today. Super fun. You can make them, obviously we're making them out of macrame cord, but you can make them out of yarn, string, the list goes on, really. So material list for this, I like to use my rolls of cord, so I'm not gonna really give you a length per se. I guess if you wanna unravel, I would say maybe like 20 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, do 20 feet, and if you have extra, you have extra. And then you're also going to want to definitely have like at least 2 foot of one piece of scrap cord, and then a foot to 2 foot of a second piece of scrap cord, scissors, and something to wrap this guy up with. But you'll see what I'm talking about when we go to actually do it. And all right, let's just get into it. Okay, so to start my tassel, I have a piece of cardboard. It's about 4 inches in length. The width doesn't really matter. And then I have my cord of choice. I'm using this sagey green color. So what we're going to do, super easy, I'm going to unravel this a little bit. I'm going to take it, put it against the cardboard, and just start wrapping it lengthwise. And I'm going to do that about, for the particular tassel I'm making, like the one I showed you in the beginning, I'm going to do this about like 15 times, give or take, because I want it to be a nice thick tassel. If you obviously want a bigger tassel, use a longer length to work with, and if you want a thicker one, keep wrapping it up. I'm going to keep going until I'm happy with what I have. Alright, I definitely lost count, but that's okay. Okay, so that looks, maybe one more. Okay, so that looks good to me. I'm just going to take my scissors, clip that off, and then I'm also going to take about a foot and a half of cord. Okay, I have this for later. Now I'm going to take this and just pull it down. I'm going to make sure that I have the opening, like my fingers there, so that this is nice and separated and not bunching together. And then I'm going to take this cord. We're also going to use this length of cord to attach it. Like if you are attaching this to anything, you want this length of cord to be a little bit longer so you have that space. And we're just going to put it through the loop, through there. Make sure it's even. And we're going to go ahead and just do a quick little knot. And I'm just gonna double knot it so it's nice and secure. Okay, and then we're gonna take our scissors and cut right down here. There we go. All right. So then from here, I'm just going to flip this over, bring out our 2 strands, and we're going to just fold this over, kind of shape it a little bit, kind of see the tassel forming here a little bit. And then we're going to go back to our original little roll of cord. We're gonna cut off about double what your length is here. So there we go. We'll cut it like right there. So whatever your length of your tassel is, double that. Okay, I'm gonna manipulate this a little bit more. All right, we're just going to turn it around because this will be the front. And just give it a little tie. And you want to make sure there's about an inch of headspace. Just going to tie that nice little double knot tie. Okay. All right. And there you have it. A little tassel. We're just going to cut this part right here, just to make sure that all of this is nice and even. So I want to make sure your scissors are nice and sharp for this part, because mine are getting a little dull. That's okay. I use these all the time. And there you have it, a little tassel. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed making your new little tassels. I have to make about 3 more of these, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's good to be back, and I will try not to be gone that much anymore. I will do my best. But if you liked this video, go ahead and comment, like it, obviously subscribe if you are not yet. And I'm here Mondays. I am here Mondays, and we will be doing more macrame things. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see also, I might do like a mini plant hanger tutorial, or maybe a scrap tutorial, because you know, all these projects, we have a ton of scraps just happening here. And yeah, I will see you next week. Toodaloo.